To harvest the chamomile, we will have to wait until the flowers are fully open and the morning dew has already passed. The best is now at noon. This way we avoid that humidity enters the plant to die and that the fungi do not affect it after the harvest. A dry and sunny day is best. After harvesting the flowers, the plant will continue to produce more and more flowers. The harvest will encourage the growth of the plant. You should harvest the chamomile by hand or with disinfected scissors. Then let them dry on newspaper or a napkin and check every day the state in which they are. Once they are completely dry, and proceed to store them in a container, and it is best to consume it within a year to keep all its properties and benefits.